Enrollment of users by using the USB Numeric keypad. You can now enroll users with fingerprints or cards and assign specific users' IDs. First, plug the USB Numeric keyboard into the H2i. Check that the LED lights on the keyboard turn off. Insert the keyboard password.
Password confirmation is successful.
The message, "Password confirmation is successful," will be heard. Press 1 enter.
Register users. Please input the user ID.
The message, "Register user. Please input user number," will be heard. Insert a user ID ranging from 1 to 65,534, for example, 1888, press enter.
User ID 18888. Register users. Please place your finger over your card.
The terminal will announce the user ID number inserted and indicate for you to enroll your fingerprint or card. Enroll a fingerprint or card.
Please place your finger again. Please place your finger for the last time. Registration is successful. Registered. Please place your finger over your card.
Press backspace to continue to enroll another user. Insert a user ID to continue.
Register users. Please input the user ID.
Press backspace twice to end the process.
The system returns to verification mode.
The message, "The system returns to verification mode," will be heard, indicating the end of the process.